OmniGraffle Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. OmniGraffle is a diagramming and design app, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just a niche tool for professionals. The surprising truth is that OmniGraffle offers a range of pricing tiers that cater to casual users and professionals alike. The standard edition is priced at for a one-time purchase, which gives access to essential diagramming tools, templates, and basic export options. The Pro version unlocks advanced features like custom stencils, JavaScript automation, and visual file compatibility. You won't believe how much time this saves for designers, UX professionals, and architects. It's a productivity boost that pays for itself quickly. Most people get this wrong by only looking at upfront costs. They miss the value of perpetual licenses, regular updates, and advanced workflow tools that streamline complex projects. In conclusion, OmniGraffle pricing is structured to suit different users. By understanding the tiered features and long-term productivity gains, you go from zero to pro in choosing the right version, ensuring you get maximum value without overpaying.